If you disappeared today, how many things would actually change? That's not a depressing question. It's a measurement of value. Because the truth is, the world replaces people every day. Employees get replaced. Friends get replaced. Creators get replaced. Even relationships get replaced. Why? Because most people become copies, and copies are easy to replace. Think about your day. You wake up, check the same apps, consume the same content, repeat the same opinions, chase the same goals. Slowly, you become identical to millions of other people. And here's the scary part. You don't lose your value overnight. You lose it one copy-paste day at a time. The internet made information free, which means information isn't valuable anymore. Everyone knows, everyone watches, everyone talks. Very few people become. And becoming is where value is created. So how do you stop being replaceable? First, stop collecting identities. Don't try to be the entrepreneur, the Sigma, the self-improvement guy. Build your own standards. Second, become known for one thing. The person who solves problems, the person who never quits, the person who creates. People remember clarity, not complexity. Third, make your actions impossible to fake. Results, skills, projects, discipline. Talk can be copied. Evidence cannot. One day, someone will do your job. Someone will take your place. That's life. But there are people whose absence leaves a hole in every room they leave. Not because they're famous, not because they're talented, but because they became so undeniably themselves that replacing them feels impossible. The question is, when you walk away, will there be a gap or just an empty seat?